Hello, welcome to how to solve this trigonometric equation. 4 to the power sine square x plus 4 to the power cos square x is equal to 3 times square root of 2. There is a trigonometric identity that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. And if we shift this sine square x to the right side, we get cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. So we replace this cos square x with this 1 minus sine square x. Like this, 4 to the power sine square x plus 4 to the power 1 minus sine square x is equal to 3 times square root of 2. Next, 4 to the power sine square x plus, now there is a rule of exponents that a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m over a to the power n. By using this rule, we can write it as 4 to the power 1 divided by 4 to the power sine square x is equal to 3 times square root of 2. Now we see here 4 to the power sine square x and here 4 to the power sine square x. So we suppose that let 4 to the power sine square x is equal to y. Then this equation becomes y plus 4 over y is equal to 3 times square root of 2. Now we can take 1 as denominator of this y and we take LCM. LCM of 1 and y is y, and if we divide this y by this one we get y, and y times this y, y square. This plus comes here, and if we divide this y by this y we get 1, and 1 times this 4 is 4 is equal to 3 times square root of 2. Next we multiply both sides by y. At right side multiply by y and at left side multiply by y. This y is cancelled with this y, and here left y square plus 4 is equal to 3 square root of 2 times y is 3 square root of 2 y. Now we shift this 3 square root of 2y to the left side. Y square, this positive 3 square root of 2y become negative at left side, minus 3 square root of 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and can be solved by quadratic formula. Here a is equal to coefficient of this y square is 1 and b is equal to coefficient of this y is minus 3 square root of 2, and c is equal to this constant plus 4. And quadratic formula is y is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this formula we put these values like this. Y is equal to minus value of b is minus 3 times square root of 2 plus minus square root of value of b is minus 3 square root of 2, and we take square of it because here b square. This minus comes here, 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 4 divided by 2 times value of a 1. Next y is equal to minus minus plus 3 times square root of 2 plus minus square root of square of minus 3 is 9 times, and this square cancels this square root, and here comes 2 minus 4 times 1 4 and 4 times 4 16 divided by 2 times 1 2. Y is equal to 3 times the square root of 2 plus minus square root of 9 times 2 18 minus 16 divided by 2. Y is equal to 3 times the square root of 2 plus minus 18 minus 16 square root of 2 divided by 2. Now y has two values. Y is equal to 3 times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2, and y is equal to 3 times square root of 2 minus square root of 2 divided by 2. First we solve this one. Y is equal to 3 times the square root of 2 plus 1 time square root of 2, 4 times square root of 2 divided by 2. Y is equal to, from here 2 1 time and 2 times 4. The value of y is 2 times square root of 2. Now we solve this one. Y is equal to 3 times square root of 2 minus 1 times square root of 2. 2 times square root of 2 divided by 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and value of y is equal to square root of 2. Now recall that we have supposed 4 to the power sine square x is equal to y. We have supposed 4 to the power sine square x is equal to y. In this equation we put this value of y 2 times square root of 2. 4 to the power sine square x is equal to value of y 2 times square root of 2. Now this 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 to the whole power this power sine square x is equal to 2 times, and this square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 over 2. Next, according to the rule of exponents, that a to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a to the power m times n. Using this rule, we multiply this power 2 with this power sine square x. Like this, 2 to the power 2 times this power sine square x is equal to, and according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, and this 2 has power 1 here. By using this rule, we add these powers, 2 to the power 1 plus 1 over 2. Next, 2 to the power 2 sine square x is equal to 2 to the power 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2. Now base is same at both sides, so this 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and here left 2 times sine square x is equal to 3 over 2. Next we multiply both sides by 1 over 2. At right side multiply by 1 over 2, and at left side multiply by 1 over 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and here left sine square x is equal to 3 times 1 3 over 2 times 2 4. Next we take a square root of both sides. At left side square root, and at right side square root. This square will be cancelled with the square root, and here left sine x is equal to square root of 3 over, and square root of 4 is plus minus 2. Sin x is equal to plus minus square root of 3 divided by 2 is 0.866. Now we shift this sign to the right side, it becomes sine inverse. X is equal to sine inverse of plus minus 0.866. X is equal to, and if we take sine inverse of 0.866, we get plus minus 60. So x has two values here. X is equal to positive 60 and x is equal to negative 60. Now to get other two values, in this equation we put this value of y square root of 2. We have supposed first that 4 to the power sine square x is equal to y. 4 to the power sine square x is equal to, now we put this value of y square root of 2, and this 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 to the whole power this power sine square x is equal to, and this square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 over 2. Now according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power 2 with this power sine square x. Like this, 2 to the power 2 times sine square x is equal to 2 to the power 1 over 2. Now base is same at both sides. So this 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and here left 2 times sine square x is equal to 1 over 2. Next we multiply both sides by 1 over 2. At right side multiply by 1 over 2 and at left side multiply by 1 over 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and here left sine square x is equal to 1 times 1, 1 over 2 times 2, 4. Next we take square root of both sides. At left side square root and at right side square root. This square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left sine x is equal to square root of 1 over 4 is plus minus 1 over 2. Sine x is equal to plus minus 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Now we shift this sign to the right side, it becomes sine inverse. X is equal to sine inverse of plus minus 0.5. X is equal to, and we take sine inverse of plus minus 0.5, we get plus minus 30. Here x has two values, x is equal to positive 30 and x is equal to negative 30.